Here is how to buy YouTube likes instantly in 2026. Let's begin. First, go to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you are there, just create an account or log in easily via Google Login. Next, go to Deposit. You can top up your balance using card, crypto, and more. It is fast, so you can start boosting your videos right away. Next, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type YouTube likes. Then choose the first option, which costs $7.62 per 1,000 likes. Super straightforward. From there, you add your post link and then the amount you want. In this video, let's test this with 20. Enter that in, then tap Order Now. We waited a few minutes, and here's how it went and the likes got in. You can see the numbers updating directly on the video. Now, a quick heads up. The risk of doing this is that it technically goes against YouTube's terms of service, so just keep that in mind and be smart about how much you use it. If you want to try this out yourself, go to Naizop using the link in the description below. Drop a like on this video and subscribe for more tutorials in 2026.